I want you to be selfish. Yes, become selfish. What is this, Ramya? In our entire education system, they have told us you need to care, you need to share, you need to help others, and you're telling me to be selfish? Yes, be selfish. You know why? Let's say there are 3 pots. First pot, completely empty, no water. Second pot is having enough water but less than half of its capacity. Some water it is having. Third pot, it is having 100% water, I mean full capacity, right? It is full. Now you're standing in front of these 3 pots and a thirsty person comes. What is your natural instinct? From which pot will you give water? Will you take water and give it to him? You know what? Majority of us will take water from the third pot which is completely full. Natural instinct. Why? Because we cannot take water from a pot which is empty. And from a pot which is less than half of its capacity, if you take water, it will still become less. So naturally we'll go for third one. Maybe exceptions exist, I don't know. So even in life, right, you can help others only if you stand strong, only if you are healthy, only if you are financially independent or wealthy, right? Only if you can help yourself, then only you can help others. If you can't help yourself, forget helping others. You will be in a position to be asking for help from others, so that the other person should help, care and share, not you. So first become selfish, become capable, improve yourself, raise your standards, take action. After raising your standards, after becoming strong, then think about helping others. Because most of us, I want to help others. No, first help yourself. Then definitely you can help others. Okay friends, share this message, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification icon. And I'm so happy when I get messages, right? Like thank you Ramya, after seeing your videos, I've been starting to take action from 2 years. I had been postponing it. It means a lot, and thank you so much. Such messages make my day. And thank you so much for all the people who comments, who message, who leaves me an email. And let us keep supporting each other and let us grow. But finally become a finisher, achieve your goals, keep growing.